morning everyone. So this week we'll be starting the diuretic, and this is to remove all the bloating and the water weight, and per usual the L-carnitine right before my workout. The Lipo 6 is good, but I prefer the brand Expel, but I'm using this because it's what I have. So they're both the same. I just like the other one better. I was feeding myself this morning. But anyways, if you guys are interested in this waist trainer, I got it on Amazon. I will link below. So I decided to give you guys a different point of view of the leg extension machine. This is the superset that I'm doing. I will do my feet straight, then I go and change the weight a little bit less, and I will position my feet outwards, and then I will finish off with a single leg and of course change the weight again. This is the last week, and the diet is a little bit more simple. It's just plan B and plan C. Plan B, you guys already know, it's basically no carbs, and then plan C is more carbs. Hi everyone, it is day 16 of my 21-day challenge. I just finished the gym. No, this is not sweat, it's rain, because here in Florida we're about to get hit by a hurricane. You can see, but pretty much I'm okay. Anyways, it's been a while since I did a vlog, exactly a week, because since last Monday of day 8 I had a week from hell. My baby girl did not want to sleep and was just super fussy the whole entire week. I don't know who cried more, me or her. It was just really a difficult week. I think she's teething. I'm pretty sure she's teething, and it's just not going well for her. But this week is better. Yesterday was better. She's in a good mood, as you can hear her toys in the background. This week I went yesterday. I didn't have time to make a vlog, but all of last week I still maintained my diet. I was only able to go to the gym twice, because even during that week of her fussiness, I also woke up with a stiff neck, I guess from all the tossing and turning and not sleeping, and I was not able to even work out. So thankfully this week is better. My neck is better, but not 100%. And that's the update. That's pretty much the update. I have lost another pound, so that's good. I have till Sunday, so I'm almost done, and I'm thinking about cheat day and what I'm gonna eat. I'm literally going to go all out because I deserve it. And that's it. Well, today you're gonna see today was upper body focus, and I brought my tripod finally. So the video is a lot better angle for my workouts. So hopefully you guys appreciate that as much as I do. And that's it. Bye. Hi everyone, it is Friday, day 19. Today is my last gym day of the week, and we're already closer to the 21 days. It feels good. Today I worked out on hamstrings, so you'll see that little workout session in the video. And I'm filming from outside of my car because my baby girl, again, like always, is just babbling and playing with her toys. So, but other than that, it's a great day. I have lost 6 pounds. 6 pounds! I've lost 6 pounds and I'm super excited about it. I'm gonna show you on my scale proof of the 6 pounds. And that's it. I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm going to give you guys a separate video when everything is done on the results of this 21-day challenge. And I guess I'll be talking later on about what I'm going to do after this challenge, because I still have weight to lose. I haven't lost everything that I wanted to lose. which I knew I wasn't gonna lose 20 pounds in 21 days. It's not realistic, but I got a good head start, and that's it. Happy Friday. So if you guys haven't seen, I use this iMuscle app. You can download it in the App Store. This is how I plan most of my workouts. It just gives me an idea of what I can do to work out that particular muscle, and sometimes I feel like I'm out of things to do, or I just want to try new things, and this is a perfect app for that. Here you can see that I'm looking at all the exercises for hamstring, and this is what I'm going to be showing you today in my training videos.